Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make instant tonkatsu ramen. And here are the ingredients. 1 cup of tonkatsu ramen, 1 egg, and 1 green onion. You can get the tonkatsu ramen from Costco or H Mart. The first thing we need to do is cut our green onions into small pieces. And now let's boil our egg, which is about 10 minutes long. In the tonkatsu cup, there is a packet of seasoning and a packet of chili oil. You could cook this ramen in 2 ways. You could put it in a microwave, or you could just put boiling water up until that line. Let's get started, guys. First thing I need to do is add our seasoning mix into the cup. Now I will pour hot water into the cup of noodles until it reaches that line. And now I'm going to close the lid and place something heavy on top so it will stay put. For minutes over, guys, I have transferred the noodles into a bowl to make it easier to eat. And now I'm going to add my egg that I cut into half. And let's not forget our fresh green onions that we chopped up earlier. Our tonkatsu ramen is done, guys. Oh wait, let's not forget about our chili oil. If you like it spicy, I'd recommend adding the chili oil. It adds a very nice fragrant spice. And now our dish is complete. This tonkatsu ramen is so comforting and delicious, and we also do not need to go to the restaurant for this. It's so easy to make at home, and we could save a lot of money. I also really like the soup. It's very creamy and a little rich, but at the same time, very comforting. You will definitely not miss the restaurant. Thanks guys for watching. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and comment below, and I will see you in my next video.